Hola. So today we are going to discuss 4 verbs: ir, ser, hacer, and tener in the preterite. And so because we are now discussing the past tense, so we're going to be talking about past actions. And then so we can compare and see the differences. In the present tense, we can say normalmente Lucas va a clases por la mañana. So normally Lucas goes to class in the morning. By using the preterite with the verb to go, it's going to be esta mañana él fue al gimnasio primero. So today or this morning he went to the gym first. So there's a change here. Now we are diving in the using the preterite. So let's continue. Here also we can see the question is which word best completes each sentence. So we need to decide which one we can use to complete the sentence here. As we can see, this is to do. Lucas hace la tarea en la biblioteca. So Lucas does his homework at the library. And so this is something that happens. It's in the present. And so we would say normalmente. Normally Lucas does his homework at the library. But then hizo, here we can see it's in the preterite. So it says that he did his homework at home. So ayer, pero ayer él hizo la tarea en casa. Normalmente Lucas hace la tarea en la biblioteca, so that's a present. But yesterday he did his homework at home. So let's continue. We're gonna see these conjugations of these 4 verbs and then their meanings as well. Ser, ir, hacer, tener. And these are irregular verbs, and so they're gonna change. We're gonna see some changes. Ser and ir. So ser and ir are conjugated identically in the preterite, but they mean different things. So depending on the context of the sentence, then we're gonna know if it's to be or to go. Then we're gonna have a clarification on the meaning. So this is the conjugation, the same conjugation for both verbs. Yo fui, so it could be I was or I went. Tú fuiste, you were or you went. Él, ella, usted fue, he or she or usted was, or he went. Fuimos, now third person plural. Nosotros fuimos. So this could be we were or we went. Vosotros fuisteis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes fueron. So they went or they were. Two different examples here when they mean either to be, in this case, in red, and ir, it means to go. And then we can see color-coded. La fiesta fue en casa de Jorge, pero Jorge no fue. So we're saying the party was at Jorge's house, but Jorge himself didn't go. Another example, as we can see in blue, it's the verb to go right here, and this is the to be. So, yo fui a la biblioteca, pero no fui yo quien pidió el libro. So, I went to the library, but it was not me who checked out the book. So here in the context, we know which one is which one. Like depending on the context, we know the verb we are using. Conjugation for the verb tener, to have. Yo tuve. Tú tuviste. Él, ella, usted tuvo. Nosotros tuvimos. Vosotros tuvisteis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tuvieron. And so, Esther y Roberto tuvieron una boda muy linda. Esther and Roberto had a very lovely wedding. Another verb the last one we're going to see, hacer. So this is to do. And so here we see a little change. First, the A goes from A to E, as we can see. And also in the third person, we get rid of the C and we use a Z. So, yo hice, tú hiciste, él, ella, usted hizo. Nosotros hicimos, vosotros hicisteis, ellos, ellas, ustedes hicieron. In an example, Juanito hizo su cama antes de salir a jugar. So Juanito made his bed before going out to play. And so this verb hacer has particular importance when used in the preterite. So basically what it's asking is what someone did. Okay, so we can say, for example, ¿qué hice? What did I do? ¿Qué hice? Like, what did I do yesterday? ¿Qué hice ayer? ¿Qué hiciste? What did you do? ¿Qué hizo? Can be he or she or you. Usted. What did he or she or you do? ¿Qué hicimos? What did we do? ¿Qué hicisteis? What did you guys do? You know, in Spain. Vosotros. And the last one, ¿qué hicieron? What did they or you guys in general do? So, and of course, this is going to imply an answer if it's something like various different verbs, various different actions that we can use to answer these questions. So, hacer has particular importance, like I said already. So, for example, here, ¿qué hiciste el fin de semana pasado? In this case, what did you do last weekend? And then I can name several things that I did or just one thing. For example, I can say, fui al cine con mi novio el sábado. So I went to the movies with my boyfriend on Saturday. And in this case, it requires an action that is not something that I did, but it's more like I went somewhere. So I need to use the verb to go. I went. But if of course if I were to do homework, then I would use hice mi tarea. So now I want you to think and make a list of 2 things that you did last Saturday. ¿Qué hiciste el sábado pasado? Okay, that's the lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!